Did your plant suddenly turn yellow, even though you're watering it? This is where most people panic and make things worse. Because yellow leaves don't mean one specific problem. They mean something is wrong. And if you guess wrong, you can literally kill the plant overnight. But today, I'll show you exactly how to read the signs and fix yellow leaves step by step. Let me tell you something important: yellow leaves are not random. They're a message. Your plant is trying to tell you something, you just need to understand the signal. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to look at any yellow leaf and instantly know what's wrong, and exactly how to fix it. Part 1: Overwatering. The number one cause. Let's start with the most common reason. Yes, giving too much water. Most people think, more water equals more care. But in reality, more water equals less oxygen for the roots. When soil stays wet for too long, roots suffocate. They start to rot. And the leaves turn yellow. Be honest with me. Do you water your plant on a strict schedule? Because if you do, this might be your exact problem. I once had a beautiful plant. I watered it every 3 days, consistently. At first, it looked healthy. Then slowly, leaves started turning yellow. Not all at once, just one by one. That's how overwatering works. It's slow, silent, and dangerous. The fix? Let the soil dry between watering. Always use pots with drainage. Listen to me, stop guessing. Start checking the soil. Part 2: Underwatering. Yes, the exact opposite problem. Not enough water. When a plant is truly thirsty, leaves turn yellow, then dry, then fall off completely. Let me ask you, do your leaves feel soft, or crispy? This tells you everything. The difference is clear: overwatering makes soft yellow leaves. Underwatering makes dry, crispy yellow leaves. Also, beware of hydrophobic soil. This is when the soil is so dry that water runs straight down the sides, without touching the roots. The fix: water deeply. Don't just sprinkle the top. If the soil is too dry, soak the entire pot in a bowl of water for 20 minutes. Part 3: Lack of light. Now imagine this: you water perfectly, but the plant still turns yellow. Why? Light. Plants need light to process the water you give them. Without enough light, water stays in the soil. Roots struggle, and leaves lose their color. Where is your plant right now? Near a window, or deep inside the room? Low light doesn't just slow growth. It weakens the entire system. Remember, light equals energy. No light equals no life. Part 4: Temperature shock and drafts. This is the hidden killer nobody talks about. Is your plant sitting directly under an air conditioning vent? Or next to a hot radiator? Extreme cold or hot air blasts shock the plant, causing leaves to turn yellow and drop suddenly. Move it to a stable temperature zone. Part 5: Hidden pests. Sometimes, the problem is alive. Spider mites and thrips love to hide under the leaves. They suck the sap out of the plant, causing tiny yellow dots that eventually turn the whole leaf yellow. Check the undersides of your leaves closely. Part 6: Poor soil and pot problems. Even if you water perfectly, bad soil can destroy your plant. Dense soil holds too much water and has no airflow. Roots need air, not just water. And look at your pot right now. Does it have a hole at the bottom? No drainage hole means the water is pooling at the bottom, rotting the roots silently. Part 7: Nutrient deficiency. Sometimes your plant is just hungry. Soil loses nutrients over time. If the veins stay green but the rest of the leaf turns yellow, it needs fertilizer. Feed it during the growing season. Part 8: Natural aging. Now here's something important: not all yellow leaves are bad. Sometimes it's completely natural. If only the oldest bottom leaves turn yellow, and the new growth is healthy, you are perfectly fine. Just remove the old leaf. Summary. Next time you see yellow leaves, don't panic. Diagnose. Is it water? Light? Temperature? Pests? Or natural aging? Yellow leaves are not the problem. They're the signal. Now I want you to do this. Comment below your plant name and what you think the problem is. And I'll help you fix it. If you want to truly understand your plants and stop guessing forever, subscribe to the Urban Leaf. Your plant is always communicating. And now, you finally understand the language. Growing calm in small spaces.